for that. Okay, so what's going on?
We get in the side-by-side blindfolded with helmets, and then we listen to your direction from here on out. Because we decided the other day, you know, we're such great communicators. That what a better test for the foundation of our relationships than this.
So the short story short is we always tell the ladies how to drive to begin with. They always give us a hard time about that. We're terrible backseat drivers, so we literally wanted to do a competition timed where Cass and I will be in the side-by-side doing this course. She's going to be blindfolded. She only knows how to drive based on what I tell her to do, what to do. And we basically have to get her to weave through one row of trees, weave through the other one, but on the way back, halfway through, she actually has to turn around and reverse to finish it. And the other couple is going to be timing it and laughing at us the whole way.
This is closed course, Kyle's backyard. We're not doing this in public.
Yeah. We had some other ideas, but you know, laws.
No dogs will be harmed in the making of this film.
So we're
really no trees. Yeah,
we're gonna go get a side-by-side and hopefully not crash. We'll have a GoPro inside and we'll have this camera on the outside and we'll see what we can do with it.
Awesome. Good boy.
You're rushing the dog. He's trying to take a poop. The poor guy.
So crooked.
There's a lonely prairie dog on the highway.
Are we gonna try this, Kyle? Guys versus girls?
They're already making up rules.
Yeah, but between you and I feel like we're gonna do something dumb, like wide open, left, right. Oh!
I don't want to prepare any more than we have because I don't want them to understand any more than they do.
It's gonna make a difference.
Sure will.
This is gonna be so freaking funny.
Like, I'm not gonna be halfway through and be like, you know what? This is where I should turn around. Like, no, it doesn't matter.
Okay, we need a coin to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Or rock, paper, scissors. 2 out of 3, girls.
Drink. Okay, Aaron.
Girls, I gotta find something to
3.
turn around at.
Rock, paper, scissors, go.
One.
Rock, paper, scissors, go.
Ah, that's it. No, Aaron's first.
Oh.
This is gonna be hilarious.
This could be the pace of the entire...
Look, they're already practicing. Just pin it. Here's the rules, okay? This is where the machine starts. Okay. That little tree over there is the one you have to go around. You're gonna weave all the way down. When you weave all the way down, on the way back, you're gonna weave on this row of trees, but you're going to see my pry bar stuck in the ground over there.
I don't
They aren't going to be able to see it.
Right, but you can see it right now, so you can understand. When you get to that pry bar, that's where you're actually going to drive into it and back up and drive all the way back here, backwards.
Count this out. So if you come weaving and you're on the wrong side of the tree for the pry bar, are we going to go to the next tree and turn around to go to the pry bar?
Just whatever gets you to the pry bar, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
You'll be all right. So that's the plan. Also, every tree you hit adds 30 seconds to the timer.
Oh, 30! And $100 to the pot for replacement costs.
Okay. We're trying to figure out the blindfold scenario. So Cass has her like morning cover your eyeball thing when you're sleeping inside the goggles of that helmet.
I already don't like Aaron's driving. This is on a whole nother level.
Okay, you got a GoPro?
Oh, I got a GoPro.
Okay, so you know what you're doing?
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and make her drive through something she can't see.
We're gonna be in the middle over there. As soon as you see my hand drop, that's when you go, okay?
I have it. I'm handing it to you.
If you see us come towards you, remind her, I don't have any control over you getting run over.
That's right. This is gonna be awesome.
Are you gonna help your wife put on her seatbelt?
Oh, she's got it! I swear she could see.
Okay,
No,
you got a phone on you, Cass?
What?
You got a phone?
Yeah.
Okay, we got to get the timer right.
Here, I'll start it. Or is that part of the blindfold?
She has to do literally everything.
Except guide.
Except guide.
Okay, hold on.
Are we doing this in high or low?
Oh, low. That's actually something I thought about. Yeah, definitely low.
Oh, I want to do sick wheelies blindfold. Ah! Okay, we got the in-car view.
So, wait. So the timer will start when I start the vehicle.
He will tell you when to
I'll
go.
tell you when to go.
Yeah.
Okay, Kyle, go take your positions.
Kyle,
can we start it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Start her up.
Wait. Okay. So then tell me when to start that.
He's gonna drop his arm. So as soon as he drops his arm, you start the timer.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm nervous.
Are you ready, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Okay, put it in low. Yeah, hold it. No, one more. Yeah, there. Very low.
Can I go? Can I go?
I don't know. Waiting for Kyle. Can we go? Go.
Oh God, it's so slow.
Keep going. Okay, hard left. Yeah, keep going forward. Keep a good pace going. Okay, straight. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, right. Hard right. Yeah, straight. Okay, hard left.
Oh my God, this is funny. I didn't expect it to be this slow.
Yeah, okay. No, left more. Yeah, straight. Straight, straight. Okay, hard right. Hard, hard. Keep holding it. Okay, straight. Oh, you're okay. Hard left. Go left all the way.
Are you gonna be that slow?
I don't know. Here, wait.
I am legit crying. It's so funny. Oh man, they're really making good time.
Okay, straight. Okay, keep going straight. Okay, go left a little bit. Left a little more. Okay, straight. Okay, go left. Left more. Okay, hard left.
Yeah, that's good. Oh my God.
They're going so wide. No!
Left, left, left. Oh, you almost got it. Okay, go hard right. Keep it hard right. Okay, straight.
Okay, they're going for the reversal.
Hard, 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 hard. Okay, go all the way right. Okay, we're about to pull into the pry bar. Keep going right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Now reverse. You gotta go up. One more. One more. Okay, now back up. And go left. Yep. Okay, keep going. Now straight. Yeah, straight. Go left a bit. Left. Little more. Little more. Keep going. You gotta go. You gotta move.
You just gotta go.
Now straight. Now, there you go. Perfect. Straight. Straight.
Oh my God.
Go the other way. Go left.
What is
Okay,
this?
you gotta keep. There you go. Yeah, straight. Right there. Okay, now go quick. Keep going. Go fast. Go fast. Go straight. Keep going. Go fast.
And time!
Yeah!
241?
242.
Oh, she hit the brakes so hard it stalled.
Sorry. That's not bad. 2 minutes and 42
Well, we
seconds.
don't know what good is yet.
I was laughing like
The best part is I'm like, hard left, she'll go hard left, and then just start going straight on her own. I'm like, ah!
Dude, I'm legit crying. That was
Oh,
good
I
time.
hurt. It's so bad.
Oh,
It's
Great.
good. You just drove it like
Okay.
a savage.
Sorry.
242.
I think,
242?
I think the only thing we could have improved on, babe, is you just got to keep moving forward.
I'm scared to.
It's so funny, the
Oh, God.
overcorrection. Like,
Yeah,
if
it's
you
like
were
a little bit of left.
Okay, but you can't tell.
I know,
Like, you
I know. That's why it's so funny. Because like around
Oh.
the trees, typically you would do this,
Yeah.
but you were doing like,
Well, because he's like, he's like hard right.
I knew this would be funny, but what was most funny was how slow that was and how fast I thought this was gonna be.
It's once you're there, you're like at our
You know what the funniest part is that's going to drive you nuts? Is while you're in there and they're driving in your mind, you're like, come on, let's go faster, knowing that they can't see a thing.
Right. Okay. We have to beat a time of 2 minutes and 42 seconds.
I can see a little bit.
Okay. See, she's being honest. She's making sure. I gotta make sure this lens is good. She's taking a few rock chips.
Cass is just getting her blindfold on.
Okay. You're all buckled in. We're in low. We're ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fix my mirror.
Hold on.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, ready? And Go, straight.
Oh, she's off to a hot start.
Straight. To the left. All the way. Straight. Left. Right. Right. Left. All the way left. Stay left. Straight. Now all the way right. Straight. Oh, that's a tree.
We hit it.
Oh, what the heck?
I don't know.
Go. It's left. Right.
30 seconds.
You can do it. Right. Okay, now all the way left. All the way left. Straight. Left.
Kyle's in there pointing.
Left. Straight.
Straight.
Oh my god, dude. Hey, just go, dude. Go. Straight. Go. Straight. Just whatever. Straight, yeah. Left. All the way left.
They missed the pry bar.
Okay, just go left. No, left. Stop. Okay, put it in reverse. It's all f***ed up. Okay, drive forward. Yeah.
Forward?
All the way low. Oh god, go. Right. Go. You're good. To the left.
You're not doing these right.
I know. I'm doing so bad. Yeah, straight. Okay, straight. Yeah, you're good. Just go. Oh my god.
And time.
Dude. Yeah, over here.
We didn't back in.
I know.
Okay.
So
way funnier from the outside.
Fun fact.
So
I tried listening to you, and I got to that turn in to go backwards, and I had one extra tree, I guess.
Did I hit a tree?
yeah.
Yeah,
you had
plus
one
30.
Yeah.
Oh. So,
We were doing really good at the beginning, and I started laughing so hard.
and then he would just say like, "You're good, keep going." I'm like, where? You have to like
Okay.
constantly be
So-
like straight, left, because otherwise I'm like,
The best part is Kyle was yelling at you on the second row. Go this way, and he's pointing at the way to go. And I'm
I
like,
actually pointed.
um,
Time?
No.
no.
What is it?
3 minutes and 12 seconds, but
Plus 30.
30.
So 3:42.
Yeah, and we didn't even come in
so
backwards.
a whole minute after you.
I legit laughed so freaking hard watching you guys go, man. I didn't think it would be that funny. It was comically slow.
I thought I was like.
I thought exactly what you thought. I was like, this is gonna be way faster. Like, I'm gonna have to run around, and I'm like, this is like, and Erin has the tree. It was broke right off. She's
Yeah, that was dead.
Aww.
Absolutely super dead if it's
so
snapped like that.
trophy to the loser is the tree.
Yeah.
Okay, why did you just, Erin's, so we're like, we're gonna do a speed round, and she's like, oh, okay, and then we're like, yeah, Cass, stay blindfolded, and Erin goes, there's no way in hell I'm getting in a car with Cass at high speed with a blindfold.
Driving already
Go.
scares me in the city.
Yeah, let's go.
Like, I always drive when we go to the city
This
because
is gonna be
she
fun.
scares me.
Okay, get blind.
Get blind. That's gonna be our new slogan. Get blind.
Or slogo.
Logo.
I really think that you have to operate this camera.
Hey, stop feeling me
Sorry.
This is all you. This is freaking hilarious.
This is great. Are we timing this?
No, we're not going to time it. We're just going to laugh our butts off.
Oh, okay. I'm really excited for this. Who can run faster, you or me?
Probably you. You got gazelle legs.
Oh God. Here,
You could just reach farther than me.
hold that.
Why? Do you want me to go somewhere? Oh, you're actually going to chase him down?
No, I'm gonna try.
No. We're just going to go to the middle and watch and laugh. Come on.
Is that what we're gonna do?
So that I can see.
Here.
Watch. Okay.
Why? You want me to go somewhere?
We're gonna pin it. And I'm actually gonna be able to see. Okay, put it in here. Am I in? Go slow at first. Am I in? You want high or low? Low. Whenever you're ready. I can go? Yeah, go. Okay.
Yeah, start. Okay, it's looking good so far.
It's good, looking good. Now the question is, how much throttle is going to be used here? I heard pin it! Oh, jeez!
Oh my god.
Oh god!
Oh my god.
Oh god!
My turn? Yeah!
I think me and Aaron have that same thing stuck in our head.
Can
Pin
you
it!
hear them?
Yeah, I can. You guys probably can't hear anything but wind. But they're giggling, and then Aaron, they pass the first corner and she goes, Cass, pin it!
Bonus round.
Yeah.
Okay, that was hilarious. I thought we were gonna die for a second, but
You definitely pointed a side-by-side at us, and then Aaron go, pin it!
Okay, Aaron, your turn.
so I know
I
I
never-
had full boost.
I never thought in a blindfolded competition I'd hear blow-off valves.
Yeah, completely blind. Okay, let's see what this is like.
Oh, goodness.
So basically, what the guys don't know over there is that we put the blindfold for this one off to the side so we can actually see while we're driving, and we're just pinning it and pretending to like not know what's going on. Kyle's only gonna notice when he's editing this. I love you, I'm so sorry, babe, but it's funnier this way. Okay. Okay, wait. Come on. Ready? Yeah. Good. Hit it. Yeah. Straight. Straight.
Oh, you're running out of property.
Oh my god! What?
She was not blindfolded for that.
That was borderline drift, like edge of rollover.
What? Within 27 seconds.
That's epic!
There's no way you were blindfolded. There's no way.
I had it on. I just trusted her.
There's no way.
No, neither of us were. Craig.
That was out of control! Oh god.
Yeah, because when you drove by, I could have swore like one side was open or something.
Oh man, I'm crying.
Cheers!
The grip was real.
That was!
How scared were you guys?
I wasn't scared at all. I was just like, what the hell is happening?
So like, I was scared and I knew she could see. I was still scared. I thought we were gonna flip it.
Okay, give me the keys.
I haven't laughed
Listen.
that hard.
So this idea came from another idea, and then Cass made it better, and Aaron made it better, and then everyone just made it happen today. So basically what we want to do is more stuff like this. If you have any ideas, leave them down below and we will try to make them happen to the best of our ability. Keeping in mind that we don't like breaking rules, so...
Or breaking things.
No, breaking things is going to happen, and we've done plenty of that, but
man.
I think that's where we're going to end it. That was a lot of fun. I'm so glad we actually did that, because this morning we were sitting there like, oh, I don't know if this is going to be funny or not. It was funny.
It was very funny.
That's the best 3 minutes I've had in a long time.